One should know that marks in the test measures the performance of the student only at the surface level. Iqraa brings forth the test micro-analyzer that performs the analysis of the tests at micro level and offers detailed analysis report to the students. Within few minutes, the analyzer prepares detailed analysis report of hundreds of students. Here is the automatic generation of the report by the analyzer, and we can see here the detailed reports of all the students are being prepared automatically. All the micro level charts are being prepared, then the tables are being tabulated, and the comparative charts and comparative graphs are being prepared here. Let's first see the quantitative analysis of the report. This graph shows the positive and negative marks obtained by the student in each question. Then this graph helps to analyze whether the student was able to score in the tough and very tough questions as well. Now this graph is very important. It shows the incorrect part of the test, and it is very important to bring down the incorrect part because it gives the negative marks. This graph shows the time spent by the student in each question, and it is very important graph because it shows where the student was stuck, in which question he wasted a lot of time, so that a proper feedback can be given to the student to either to skip the question or use the proper method. Now let's see the qualitative analysis of the report. This table shows which topic he has mastered and in which topic he is still weak. This graph shows the strength areas in a particular subject. For example, here we can see that in 25% of the topics he is excellent, and in 8% he is good, and so on. And we can see that still there are 34% of the topics where he is very weak. This chart shows the percentage skills developed by the student in each individual topic in the subject. For example, in the first topic, the electric charges, he has mastered 30%. Now this graph also shows the comparison of this test with the last test. For example, this up arrow in the second topic indicates that his performance has improved in this test as compared to the last test. Whereas the down arrow shows that his performance has gone down as compared to the last test. And the O symbol indicates that whether his performance has remained same or it was not evaluated in this test. Now let's see the comparative analysis of the student, where the performance of the student with all other students as well as all the tests is evaluated. When the number of students are large, then the group analysis is done. So a group of, for example, say 10 students are selected and then comparatively evaluated. This chart shows the performance of 10 students having the same performance level. But in all the group charts, the topper's performance is always shown so that the student can compare with the performance of the topper. Let us have a look at the student's performance record prepared by the test micro-analyzer. The first block is information about the student's personal information, and this is the information about the test. Now the table 1 gives the performance of the student in each question. Now let's just graze through the report. Now the analyzer part 2 predicts the rank of the student that he can actually get in the actual competitive exam, as well as the university and the college as well as the branch that he can get based on his rank. This is the list of all the universities that he can get and all the branches that he can get based on his rank.